Hi, good afternoon, Indira Shah here. This is a garden tip I'm going to show you. This is not related to cooking, but this is a vegetable that is, I think you can make out. This is the sweet potato. You know, this is very nostalgic because when I was a kid, my grandmother used to grow lots of this. You know, she used to teach me how to grow this. Okay, those days we used to grow on the land. Now, you know, since the concrete jungle is increasing, we have land, less of land space. So that is the reason, you know, we all have started terrace gardening. So for the sweet potato, you need a wide container here. I have taken a drum which I have cut it to half. A huge drum, okay? I have cut it into half. Now, how to start growing? Where to get the source? Like this doesn't grow from a seed, either from a root or from a cutting. This grows very easily from cutting. So what you do is, when you buy a sweet potato from market, take the big one and keep it aside in a semi-shade place inside your house, in a corner, shelf corner or anything. You know, by April, May, it will start sprouting. Once it sprouts, then you can sow them. If you do not get that, you can ask a friend for a cutting. See here, you can just cut here. You can just cut here and place it. And in every node, you get a sweet potato. So everything has to go inside like this, inside the container. Okay, now how to grow this? So you take a container like this, a wide container, or even a wide container like this. Here this is a grow bag. Okay, so this grow bag or the container should have proper drainage holes. Okay, make proper drainage holes and cover it with some stone slab or something. Then you know, you can take one proportion or two proportion of soil, equal part of coco peat and equal part of compost. You need more coco peat. The reason is, you know, this should penetrate inside. The more it penetrates, the more you get the harvest. So don't allow the creepers to fall down like this. This is not a show plant. So what you do is, see, when you get it like this, again put them inside here, push them inside. So automatically this will go inside the soil, and the harvest that you get will be more. Okay, and this is actually very easy to grow. My grandmother used to tell me, you know, she used to tell me, in Tamil she used to tell me, tala pichu podu, she says, in the sense, cut the tip and then sow. So every time if you want to share it to your friends, just cut it here. Okay, cut it here, and they can always sow it. It grows very fast. Sweet potato certainly is not a failure crop at all, but you have to save them from rodents. Many times what happens in my container, the rodents comes and digs. Okay, so you have to save them from rodents and snails. Snails also eat away. If you find one snail, please remove them and crush it, otherwise it multiplies very fast. Okay, so every 20 days to 25 days you can add the manure that you like, either coco peat, either the homemade compost, or Jivamruta or Ghana Jivamruta, or vermicompost, whatever you decide. But I always depend on sheep manure, because I have been using sheep manure, and once in 20 days I use around quarter kilo of sheep manure every 20-25 days. So this drum, whenever I harvest, I get around 5 to 6 kgs minimum. Okay, and this is a 3 months crop. See, once you sow it, in 3-4 months you can harvest. You can ask me, how will I know when to harvest? Yes, when the time comes for harvesting, the leaves will show you automatically. The leaves will turn yellow. When the leaves turn yellow, then it is time for harvesting. Okay, So, while harvesting, take the cuttings, keep it in a bowl of a bucket of water, so that you can what you call, you can plant it again. Don't throw them out, okay? Or you can distribute to your friends. And then every time, what you call, you sow this, you need to add compost, okay? The fresh compost you need to add, because they love compost, so they love to have a good nutrition, okay? So sometimes, some gardeners told me that the second time when they sow the same thing in the same drum, they don't expect more harvest. The reason is, see, they don't like the same thing getting planted in the same container. So you can change the container. If you want the soil to get more fertility, please grow cowpea. See, here I have grown cowpea, because cowpea makes the soil fertile. Okay, cowpea is also again 3-4 months you get the crop. Once you get the crop, remove it, and then you can sow whatever it is. So when you think the harvest is low, take it out and do not plant the same thing again, because they don't like, the soil doesn't like. You can grow cowpea in the container. Once the cowpea's harvest is over, then you can repeat with the sweet potato or whatever it is, because cowpea always helps in fertiling the sand, okay? So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. Please subscribe my channel, because I'm coming up with more garden related tips and many things. So thank you very much. Please share. I'll request you, share this with your friends too, okay? Let them also learn gardening, and do not use any pesticides, okay? Because we are all responsible citizens. We should know how to protect our environment from hazardous chemicals, okay? Always use your wet waste. If you do not know how to compost, please contact me, and there are so many gardeners who are composting. We can certainly teach you, okay? So start composting and start your garden in organic way, okay? So thank you very much. Bye bye. This is Vitvela.